Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Eric Anderson. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Jeep Renegade Limited. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with intricate turn signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2015 Jeep Renegade proves that Jeep styling and the playfulness can translate successfully to a subcompact crossover. This Jeep has 18-inch aluminum alloyed wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire mobility kit, splash guards, and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Jeep is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, heated wipers, and a nice metal look grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Jeep has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 25 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Jeep has only 19,924 miles on it. At the back of the Jeep, you can see the antenna, the lip spoiler, and the rear wiper, along with the large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Jeep has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal look interior accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Jeep is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and fade to off interior lighting. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Jeep has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping heated and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment and navigation features, and it pairs with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It's Sirius XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB or auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.